Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Naveen Tamtam Excel VBA. So the topic which I am going to discuss today is an important topic guys, and this is a complex topic. As you can see on my screen, I have a sales tracker. So we have some sales representatives here and their day on day basis their achievement. There are some targets and the sales which they have achieved against their target. So I have this data from 1st August to 31st of August. So this is the data for entire month. Now, my requirement is to calculate the total target here, then total sales here, and then we can calculate the sales percentage for a particular representative. Now, the question is, how can I sum up the total of the target? Will I go like this plus this plus this plus this? So it will take me ages to calculate the value, whether it is for target or for sales. So how I can apply a single formula in order to achieve the total target of the month? So how we will achieve this? I will apply a simple sum if formula here guys. So what you will do, you will apply sum if. As you can see on my screen, the syntax says, first of all, it is asking for a range. So what I will do, I will choose my range from here to 31st of August, means E2 to BN2, and I will fix it. Then I will put in one comma. So now it is asking for the criteria. What should be my criteria? So criteria should be my target. So in double quotation, I will be mentioning the target. Now it is asking for the sum range. So guys, in this case, what you can do, you can choose the entire range from start point to end point, means from E3 to BN9. And if you want, you can also fix it. Or if you do not want to fix it, that is also fine. Okay, you can now close your parenthesis. So guys, if I hit enter, it has given me 19600. So in this case, I want this to be, validated. So how we can do this? I will press control and then I will one by one select the target. So I have selected this, then the target of this, then 500, then 600, then 700, then so I am just selecting the target only, just to show you the validation. This, and make sure you have pressed control while doing this activity. Okay, so I have selected till 13th of August. Now I am selecting this. Few more entries are left. So so guys, if you will have a look at the bottom, 19600, and this is what I have got here. Same I will do for the sales. So in this case, I am again applying sum if. So in case of range, I will give the range as this. I will fix this. Then at this point in time, my criteria will be sales, and then I will give the whole range from here E3 to BN9, and I will close my parenthesis. So against this target, this person has achieved this. Now you can drag the formula and calculate the sales percentage as per the requirement. And I will convert this to percentage. And so this is the performance for the entire month. So guys, now you have understood. If I would have been going like this, then plus this, then this. So this is an, this is a hectic activity, as well as the chances of errors are too much high. But by this formula, you can achieve the desired result accurately. So guys, I hope you have found this video useful. Try implementing if you come across such kind of situation in your day-to-day work. By the help of this video, you can solve your problem.